When life gives you 100 reasons to break down and cry, show life that you have 1,000,000 reasons to smile and laugh. Stay strong. A meaningful life is not about being rich, being popular, being highly educated, or being perfect. It is about being real, being humble, being strong, and being able to share ourselves and touch the lives of others. Letting go is not about forgetting, it is about learning and moving on. It is making a choice to be strengthened by your past, not strangled by it. Some stories don't have a clear beginning, middle, and end. Life is about not knowing, having to change, taking the moment, and making the best of it without knowing what is going to happen next. Enjoy the little things in life because one day you look back and realize they were the big things. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking because her trust is not on the branch but on its wings. Always believe in yourself. Don't be afraid of change. You may end up losing something good, but you shall probably end up gaining something so much better. Being with no one is better than being with the wrong one. Sometimes those who fly solo have the strongest wings. An arrow can only bat shot by pulling it backward. When life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means it is going to launch you into something great. So just focus and keep aiming. Remember, going through pain is temporary and it will subside. But quitting, on the other hand, lasts forever. Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. And surely your habits will change your future yourself. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. Believe in yourself. Have faith in your abilities. Without a humble but reasonable confidence in your own power, you cannot be successful or happy. You are unique. You have different talents and abilities. You don't have to always follow in the footsteps of others. And most important, you should always remind yourself that you don't have to do what everyone else is doing and have a responsibility to develop the talents you have been given. Your degree is just a piece of paper. Your education is seen in your behavior. Every twist and turn in life is an opportunity to learn something new about yourself, your interests, your talents, and how to set and then achieve goals. Mentally prepare ourselves for excellence. Block out the noise of everyday distraction and tap into the quietness of meaningful focus. intent, and a winning mindset. People need to learn that their actions do affect other people. So be careful what you say and do. It is not always just about you. When you can focus your mind and attention and disregard distraction and irrelevant thoughts, you gain the ability to focus on every action and do it better. The only way someone can be of help to you is in challenging your ideas. If you are ready to listen and if you are ready to be challenged, there's one thing that you can do, but no one can help you. What is this most important thing of all? It is called self observation. Be active, take on responsibility, work for the things you believe in. If you do not, you are surrendering your fate to others. Always be eager to learn, no matter how successful you might already be. In the Millennials Club, we sometimes invite a billionaire to come talk to us. He says, "You are doing okay, but come, how about if you really poured it on?" Successful and unsuccessful people do not vary greatly in their abilities. They vary in their desires to reach their potential. Anyone who is not on your same evolutionary and spiritual frequency will distance himself from you, while all those who are on the same evolutionary and spiritual frequency as you will come closer to you. You will see how amazing it is to discover that everyone who needs to be by your side will ultimately appear in your life in the most spontaneous and divine manner. That is how powerful the mind is. Live your life in such a way that you shall be remembered for your kindness, compassion, fairness, character, and a force for good, who had much respect for life in general. If you are given an opportunity and you are lucky enough to have freedom to do what you want to do in your career, why trap yourself? Why do something that is not you? Allow yourself to let go of the people, thoughts, and situations that poison your well being. Love yourself enough to create an environment in your life that is conducive to the nourishment of your personal growth. You cannot control how other people receive your energy. Anything you do or say gets filtered through the lens of whatever personal shit they are going through at the moment, which is not about you. Just keep doing your thing with as much integrity and love as possible. Every opportunity that comes your way, you cannot take lightly. You have to take it very, very seriously because the opportunities are limited. If you want to keep working, you cannot be such an elitist to say no. That is not good enough, not big enough, not smart enough, whatever. If you have a positive attitude and constantly strive to give your best effort, eventually You will overcome your immediate problems and find you are ready for greater challenge. Success is really about being ready for the good opportunities that come before you. It is not to have a detailed plan of everything that you are going to do. You cannot plan innovation or inspiration, but you can be ready for it. And when you see it, you can jump on it. Life is a series of problem solving opportunities. The problem you face will either defeat you or develop you, depending on how you respond to them. Negative thoughts will destroy you. Always do your best to keep a positive attitude.